Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best antifungal meds is probably one of the most important choices you'll make when battling a stubborn fungal infection, so choosing the right one can be tricky with so many options available. This video will guide you through the top-rated antifungal oral medications on the market, comparing their effectiveness, side effects, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your health. Number 5. Defense Antifungal Soap. It effectively cleans and treats common fungal infections like athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It's the perfect solution for staying fungus-free. This soap is proven effective against athlete's foot fungus. It helps keep your feet healthy and clean. The concentrated formula goes right to the source of the infection, preventing further spread. It's a powerful tool in your hygiene arsenal. Don't let fungal infections sideline you. It helps you stay clean and healthy, so you can keep doing what you love. Each bar comes with a protective case to keep it separate from other items in your bag. This keeps the powerful medicine safe and secure. It's more than just soap, it's your defense against common fungal infections. Experience the difference of targeted treatment and lasting protection. What we like? It's a soap with a concentrated formula that goes right to the infected area. Plus, it comes in a convenient case, perfect for your gym bag. If you need a powerful, on-the-go solution for common fungal infections, this is for you. What people say. I got a bar of this soap and within 3 days my back was back to normal. Any discoloration had completely gone away. Like, completely. My back was clear. I had been washing my feet with it a couple times a week and it has kept the itch away for many months. After a pair of weeks I saw improvement, after a month it was almost all gone. It's cleared up completely after 6 weeks. Number 4. Terrasil Jock Itch. It's formulated for fast relief and healing of jock itch symptoms. Experience its triple action for powerful, fast, and effective results, suitable for all skin types and genders. This ointment contains 1% clotrimazole, clinically proven to cure most fungal jock itch infections. It provides fast relief from burning, itching, and irritated skin. It includes activated minerals, backed by over 20 years of research. These, along with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It offers additional therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients like beeswax, tea tree oil, and jojoba oil. It's free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. It's made in the USA with the finest ingredients and adheres to the highest manufacturing standards. It's also FSA and HSA approved for your convenience. What we like? This cream is clinically proven to be effective and uses all natural ingredients for soothing relief. It provides fast relief from itching and burning. If you're looking for a natural and effective treatment with quick results, consider this option. What people say. Jock itch cleared up after using this daily for 1 week. Calmed everything down after the first use. Very soothing, not greasy, no odor. A bit of a greasy texture, but cured the itchiness in the groin area of my other half when nothing else would. Number 3. Gargle Away Throat Care. Introducing Gargle Away Throat Care, the all-natural solution for soothing sore throats and tackling tough mucus. It's the perfect remedy for fast relief. This rinse effectively targets various throat discomforts, from persistent coughs to itchy throats and oral thrush. It's safe for extended use and has no drug interactions. Gargle Away provides instant soothing relief at the first sign of throat discomfort. It helps balance your mouth's pH levels, creating an environment where germs struggle to thrive. It's made with carefully selected herbs and minerals like Himalayan salt, apple cider vinegar, and honey. It's gluten-free and packed with natural goodness. This rinse is free of any pitch-altering ingredients, making it ideal for singers, voice actors, and teachers. It gently helps open your vocal range. Experience the soothing power of Gargle Away Throat Care. It's the comprehensive solution for a healthy and comfortable throat. What we like? This all-natural rinse soothes various throat discomforts, from coughs to thrush. It's made with carefully selected herbs and minerals. If you need a natural and effective way to soothe your throat, this is a great choice. What people say. Using the other things, I could get my singing voice to come out crisp and clear during practice, but still, no matter how much I hacked up, it was like I had this dried-on superglue gunk stuck in one particular spot that wouldn't move, no matter what, and it was really messing with my ability to perform properly. From the moment I start feeling a little PND, post-nasal drip, to having a sore throat, I use 1-2 packets and it's gone. I get instant relief. After my first week of using Gargle away morning and night, my cough became more normal and I would sleep through the night without being awakened by coughing. I've been using it now for 4 months and feel pretty much normal now. My coughing has reduced significantly. Number 2. Terrasil Antifungal Kit. This powerful cream tackles most fungal infections. It's fast-acting and soothes burning and itching, thanks to its blend of clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It effectively treats athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and more. It's safe for use on various body parts and kills 99.97% of fungus. This daily cleansing bar complements the cream. It's formulated with natural ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter to soothe your skin while fighting fungus. Its unique formula includes activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These minerals, along with other select ingredients, help treat, protect, and heal your skin. It's dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, suitable even for sensitive skin. It's free of harsh chemicals like parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. Made in the USA with the finest ingredients and highest quality standards. It provides powerful results and is FSA and HSA approved. What we like? This kit combines a clinically proven cream and a soothing soap, both with natural ingredients. It provides both treatment and daily care. If you want a comprehensive approach with natural ingredients, this is ideal. What people say. So far the item works great. Seems to be clearing up the issue I have. I bought this to help me, didn't want any series of shots. This works great. Good smelling product. Helped clear up the issue. Follow the instructions and be sure to get the one that applies to your specific issue. Number 1. Roycederm Antifungal Cream. It's specially designed to relieve the symptoms of various skin infections, such as jock itch, athlete's foot, ringworm, and tinea. It tackles multiple skin issues with one effective formula. This maximum strength cream uses mild herbal ingredients to soothe itching, scaling, and discomfort. It's tough on infections but gentle on your skin. Its deep moisturizing formula is paraben-free and alcohol-free. It cleanses and hydrates, leaving your skin feeling comfortable. Application is simple, just massage it in until fully absorbed, twice a day. It's convenient and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. We're confident you'll love it, but if you're not completely satisfied, contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This cream is multifunctional, treating various skin conditions while being safe and gentle on your skin. It also soothes and moisturizes. If you need a versatile and gentle solution for multiple skin issues, this is a good option. What people say. After only a day of use, I already noticed my rash going away. No longer itchy, no longer bright red. By day 2, my rash was all but gone. No more redness, no more itchiness, no nothing. I used it once a day and noticed improvement after a couple days. After a week, it was gone. I haven't used it in over a week and it hasn't come back either. Not only that, but my toenails are finally starting to grow for the first time in years, and the new growth is all clear. I know this says it's for fungal issues, but I had a rash on my forearms from gardening and it got rid of it. In one application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.